Okay, Sorgies, how's it going? I'm going to break this up into sections for you, and I'm assuming that you haven't had a chance to work on any of this with your teacher at all, so maybe all of it's kind of new, and there might be a couple of new things. So the first section is going to just be the first four measures of whole notes. You have something called a tremolo at the end, so I'm going to try my best to give you examples that you can see and then that you can hear as well. So our first note is our G. We know how to do that. We have 4 beats. Then we have a G sharp. We're just going to extend that third finger up a little bit. And then we have an A, come over to that. And then we have our B, which is our tremolo. Okay, and you're going to see the those like 3 little black slashes underneath that. Okay, and that indicates to us it doesn't have a quantifiable value. Say what? So it means that it's hard for us to count it. So in the upper half of the bow, when we get there, I've got my note. And I'm just going to go as quickly as I can. Okay, it's hard to count while you're doing that because it doesn't have like a set beat or rhythm for you to count there. So I'm going to have a metronome going while I play it. So I'm going to play those first 4 measures for you. Okay. Where'd my metronome go? Okay, and this metronome that you hear, this is at 84. So if you want to use a metronome, you can do that. So here we go, first 4 measures. 1, 2, ready, and... That wasn't that good. I'm going to do that again. Okay, that's the first 4. It is hard to count that through the 4 beats. And I'm going to give you another video for the next section. Okay, so this is going to be measures 9 through 17. And I'm going to play it pizzicato first so you can hear it and see it. I know, Joe, you like pizzicato. And then I'll play through it with my bow. Just another reminder is when you look at your key signature, every note is natural unless it's indicated. So I think we mostly just have G sharps throughout this that are placed strategically. So here we go. This is going to be measure 9. And if I can get my metronome volume back up. Good, there we go. And again, our metronome is at 84. So here we go. This is going to be pizzicato. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and I'm going to play that with a bow. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. It's a little bit syncopated, and if you can count it, it's really helpful. I know you don't always like to count, either of you, but if you can, it's really helpful. You'll see that we have little eighth rests throughout, and those are the ones that are going to throw you off. So the metronome should be helpful. When you hear the metronome, that's going to be on the beat. So for example, if I count it, I'll count those same measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 1, and 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 hopefully you'll start to see a pattern in there, and that it alternates. We have a rest on beat 4 every other measure, so that should hopefully be helpful. So this is hopefully a starting point, and I'll keep kind of pushing through this. That will get you going up through measure 19, and then we can go from there. Have fun, and don't go crazy being stuck inside for so long.